The laptop market is about to hit a wall, and Apple is the only one with a sledgehammer. For 3 years, we've seen the M series chips dominate, but in late 2026, the game doesn't just change, it starts over. We are standing on the precipice of the 20th anniversary of the MacBook Pro, and according to every supply chain leak from TSMC to Samsung's Display Labs, Apple is preparing a MacBook Ultra tier powered by the M6 Max that is designed to make your current setup feel like a calculator. If you are a creative, a developer, or just someone who demands the absolute best, listen very closely. Do not, I repeat, do not, upgrade your laptop right now. Welcome to my channel Tech Launch. Subscribe my channel and click on the bell icon for the new tech updates. We are looking at the first total redesign since 2021, featuring technologies that were thought to be impossible for the Mac lineup. We are talking about the death of the notch, the birth of the MacBook touchscreen, and a 2nm processor that is so efficient it shouldn't be legal. This is the definitive breakdown of the Apple MacBook Pro M6 Max. Let's get straight to the muscle. The M6 Max isn't just another incremental speed boost. It is the world's first consumer chip built on TSMC's radical 2nm process. For the non-techies, this means Apple is cramming billions more transistors into the same space, allowing for performance jumps we haven't seen since the transition from Intel to M1. The leaked benchmarks for the M6 Max are terrifying. We are looking at a 20-core CPU architecture, 14 performance cores and 6 efficiency cores, running at clock speeds exceeding 5.4 GHz. But the real story is the GPU. With up to 80 graphics cores and a rumored move to LPDDR6 memory, the M6 Max is targeting a memory bandwidth of nearly 800 GB per second. To put that in perspective, that is the kind of bandwidth previously reserved for $5,000 Mac Ultras, now sitting in a laptop you can carry in a backpack. Whether you're rendering 8K 3D environments or training local AI models, the M6 Max won't just handle it, it will vanish the wait time entirely. For decades, Steve Jobs and subsequent Apple executives said a touchscreen Mac was ergonomically terrible. But it's 2026, and the 20th anniversary MacBook Pro is finally breaking the glass ceiling. Multiple reports indicate that Apple is moving to a tandem OLED display, the same Ultra Retina XDR tech found in the high-end iPads. This means perfect blacks, infinite contrast, and a peak brightness of 3000 nits. But the headline is the touch interface. This isn't just a gimmick, it's a dynamic interface designed for creators who want to use the Apple Pencil or touch gestures for precision editing. And that notch we've lived with since 2021? Leaks suggest it's finally being replaced by a sophisticated punch-hole design or under-display Face ID, giving you a truly edge-to-edge 16-inch canvas. Apple has a new obsession, thin possible. Following the success of the ultra-thin iPad Pro, the MacBook Pro M6 Max is undergoing a massive weight loss program. By leveraging the thermal efficiency of the 2nm M6 chip, Apple is reportedly thinning the chassis by nearly 20% without sacrificing the ports we love. We are looking at a more refined titanium-infused frame that is lighter than current models but more rigid. There are even whispers of a MacBook Ultra branding for this specific model to differentiate it from the standard Pro lineup. This device is being engineered to be the ultimate mobile workstation, powerful enough to replace a desktop,